So welcome to baby's first bath. So the baby has been born. It's got regular temperatures which are between 36.5 and 37.5, and we are satisfied that this baby is quite warm. So we have our supply set up. There's 4 face cloths, simple face cloths, just like this, and you want to fold it into 4 pieces. And then here you have some good soap that's provided by the hospital. You can use any baby-friendly soap when you get home. So we just pour a little bit here and a little bit here. That's it. The other 2 are not soaped at all. So one of these you can drop into the water, which is lukewarm, little more than lukewarm, so it's very comfortable for the baby. And we're going to be using that when we need a wet towel. This one is a dry one, and we use it to dry the baby. And generally this is very important because babies get cold very quickly. So you just want to wipe the baby and then dry the baby right away. So we start off with the eyes. So here we have this, we squeeze it and we just take a corner, and from the inner side of the eye to the outside, just one stroke, take a different part of the face cloth and go from the inner side to the outer side, and there we are done. And remember, like I said, you want to dry right away. That's it. Now the rest of the face is cleaned again with a simple water towel, no soap applied. So you go this way and dry right away. You can see the baby's face turning a bit red, but that's a normal occurrence, so we don't need to worry about that. Now we go to the other side of the face. The same way, you just want to get into the little corners and just make sure the baby's face is nice and clean. And then you want to dry. Oh. Now baby has wriggled her hand out, and so it seems to be getting a bit cold. Now it's time for the ears. We just go as far as we can and clean the ears, and then you go behind the ears and gently dry the ears. We do the same for the other ear. And then just dry the ear. Now it's time for baby to have a hair wash. So you can get the baby to the edge of the sink and cover the ears, making sure that the water cannot enter. Now you pick up one of your soapy swabs and just wet it. There's no point in squeezing it, and it's nice and warm, and you can form a nice lather on the baby's head. This soap doesn't seem to form a lot of lather, but some soaps will. Now you take your wet swab again, wet face cloth, and just simply pour the water on the baby's head as if baby is getting a salon treatment. And when you're satisfied that the hair is pretty clean, you can just give it a little wipe everywhere and discard that. And then of course we want to dry the baby's head as quickly as possible. Babies seem to like this very well. I can almost see a smile here. And a beautiful yawn. Okay, baby seems to be nice and relaxed. Now it's time to jump in the pool. Let's check for surprises. Oh, yes, there is a surprise. So, we'll take our... Yes, I know you're feeling cold, so we'll keep you covered. We'll just take one of the wipes, wet it with water, and hold it here for about a few seconds, just to loosen up the meconium, so it doesn't stick and it comes out very easily. Then you just want to wipe it, and there you go, little one. Seems pretty clean. And just swirl this to different spots, and you have a nice clean little baby spot. Okay, sweetie pie. Alright, so now it's time to get into the tub, and you notice the water is pretty clean. So you get the baby into the tub. This is the best way to support your baby. Under both arms, and gently dip the feet in the water and get the baby into the tub. And you have your last soapy paste cloth here. It's time to use that. So just a little soap is all. We don't need a lot of soap. We're going to soap all the arms, under the arms, and leave it out here, and wash the baby. Then you want to flip the baby and do the front. So support the baby under the arms so baby is safe, and then just soap the baby's front a little bit. And we are almost done. Baby, do you want to come out? Doesn't look like. Baby seems to be having fun. Okay. So we'll get a nice warm towel ready and let the baby have some fun, and we'll get ready to place the baby in a nice warm towel. So we're ready now, and here we go, little one. We'll hear a scream. Be prepared, but it should be a very short-lived cry. There we are, all nice and clean. Now the only thing left is to, transfer the baby into a dry towel and get the fresh new clothes on.